I'm going to present you with the Senao 358 Skype phone, which is basically long-range cordless phone with options that you can hook it up to your USB and use it to make Skype calls. That means free Skype calls making from your landline phone. It works together with your landline and with Skype as well. Let's see what's in the box. Power cord, so there's this adapter. You just basically plug it in. Power comes on. Now there's this USB cord. And I'm going to connect it to the PC. And to the phone as well. When you connect the USB cable, your computer will indicate that new hardware is being connected to the PC. And before I connect it, I pre-installed software that is on this CD that comes in the box with the telephone, and that is the software that connects your CD to the Skype in your computer, so you can download your contacts to the phone. Okay, so I connected my Senao 358 Skype phone to the phone line, to the USB port, to the PC, and to the power adapter. And now, the best thing about this telephone, this is long-range cordless phone. That means that basically with the standard antenna that comes with the base, your range should be around 1 kilometer, and with the external antenna that is optional, that you can mount on your house or some kind of pole or a roof, it can do range 5 to 10 kilometers, and that all with using your Skype calls. So that means you can talk for free on this phone using your Skype, as long as the base is connected to the PC and PC is online. To access your Skype directory, you just press Skype button on the phone, and you can see all the contacts that you have in your Skype account that is logged in and online. And to make a call, you find the contact that you want to call, press headset, green button, and as you can see, there is a call going on this another PC. I can answer this phone call, and now I can talk to myself. It also can receive Skype calls, and I'm just going to put it on the base for the demonstration purposes, and I'm going to make a call to this PC that is going to forward it to the phone. See, the phone rings, you just pick it up, it's cordless, and you can talk on your Skype. At the same time, while you can use your Skype calls through your PC, through the internet, it also works as a standard regular landline phone, and you just dial the numbers and it works just like any cordless phone, with the exception the range is a little bit longer. And this device is actually very high quality unit. It's made out of really high quality plastic with rubber grip. There is also extendable antenna, so you can extend your range when you're out of your house or in your car, and all the time you can use it to make Skype calls as well as regular telephone calls. Except these basic functions, this telephone also has a speakerphone, so you can use it like this. Also it can transfer lines, and you can use this base with up to 99 headsets, and you can transfer calls between headsets on the base. And another thing, this base has its own keypad, so you can use it independently. It also has a speakerphone, so you can use it even without a handset. There is also caller ID function on this telephone, and there's also talkie-walkie connection between the headsets that are connected to the same base. And also you can use this telephone to communicate between headsets and to make broadcast messages from the base. The battery that comes on this headset is ion lithium battery, and it's 1100 mAh, and there is optional higher capacity. It's 1700 mAh. When you put the battery in the phone, it has to click. You have to press it really hard so it clicks in. This gray notch will pop down and you will see it is clicked, but you have to press it really hard. Don't worry, this is really strong unit. To turn it on, just press on the red button for 3 seconds and it will come on. You can use it as a phone or as a Skype immediately as it comes on. You can see there are also very interesting options about accessing directory of the Skype, because you can see only people that are online or only people that are offline, or you can see the whole phone book. You can see your missed calls, incoming call, outgoing call. So it's really handy. You can use it as you would your regular Skype program on your PC, but it's much more convenient. You don't have to sit at your PC. You are free to walk around your house or even to get out to the store. For 1 kilometer of range with the base antenna is enough for most people to get around the house. Another very good thing about this telephone is that this handset comes with optional charger. This is basically a DC adapter that charges the battery, and you can use it on another location. You don't have to charge it on your base. You just plug this into power outlet and hook it up to the phone, and off you go. You can charge it in your garage, in your office, or some location that you actually use the phone. That is very useful if you need to transfer line for like 2, 3, 5 to 10 kilometers with external antenna, so you don't have to put it back on base to charge every time.